Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on point gradient formula. If we are given the gradient of a line and a point that lies on the line, we can find the equation of that line. So the equation y minus y1 equals m outside of x minus x1 is known as the point gradient formula, where m is the gradient of the line and the point x1, y1 lies on the line. Now let's have a look at two examples where we can use this formula to find the equation of a line when we are given the appropriate information. Example 1. The slope of a line is 3 and the point 25 lies on the line. Find the equation of the line. We can see here that x1, y1 is 2, 5. That's the point that lies on the line. M equals 3 because we are given that this is the gradient. That is the formula we used from up here. So we substitute x1, y1 and also m into the formula, and we have y minus 5 equals 3 outside of x minus 2. All we do now is expand the right hand side to give us y minus 5 equals 3x minus 6. And if we collect some like terms over here, so if we add 5 to both sides, the final answer will be y equals 3x minus 1. And you can see that this equation has a gradient of 3 because previous videos showed us that if you have an equation of this format, this is the slope of the line. And if you substitute 2, 5 into that equation, it actually works. So that definitely is the equation of the line that we want. Example 2. The slope of a line is negative 5 and the point 3, 2 lies on the line. Find the equation of the line in general form. So there's a difference here. We have to write it in general form. So x1, y1 is 3, 2, because that's what we're given. M is negative 5. Here is the equation that we have to use, as we saw here. Substituting 3, 2 and negative 5 in the equation, we get y minus 2 equals negative 5 outside of x minus 3. We remove the grouping symbols. Y minus 2 equals minus 5x plus 15. When we manipulate the equation around, and it's quite straightforward for you to do that at this level, we get 5x plus y minus 17 equals 0. And as we saw in previous videos, this is the general form of an equation. So in this video, we have seen how to use a particular equation known as the point gradient formula to find the equation of a line when we are given the slope and a point that lies on that particular line.